South Africa's Supreme Court of Appeal grilled Oscar Pistorius' attorney and a prosecutor Tuesday as it weighed whether to convict him of murder for killing his girlfriend, uphold a lower court's manslaughter conviction, or order a retrial.
We will have to convince this court, that we're dealing with errors of law and not errors of fact.
Prosecutors assert the judge made an error at Pistorius' trial last year, resting their argument on a part of South African law which calls for a person to be convicted of murder with lesser intent if they foresaw that someone could be killed as a result of their actions, but went ahead anyway.
The court was at pains to follow the evidence of the time since the accused moved to the bathroom. What happened afterwards the court relied on, but the court erroneously failed to take into account what happened just before. And that's the most important aspect of this trial.
Prosecutors believe Pistorius knew someone could die when he shot 4 times through a toilet cubicle door on February 14, 2013, killing his girlfriend, REEVA STEENKAMP. Pistorius' defense lawyer said he was not denying Pistorius' fault in the death of STEENKAMP, but that his actions could not be considered without considering his state of mind.
So we're not saying walk away. There was no appeal against the culpable homicide. There's no exclusion of liability, but to say that that person went there, and why did he then shoot? If it was not that he was in that anxious moment, overreacting, but in his mind.
Pistorius was released last month after serving 11 months in a prison and was moved to house arrest at his uncle's mansion. The family of STEENKAMP says 11 months is not enough.
He killed her, and he's been in jail for 11 months. And it's too short a time for taking somebody's life. And even though I don't want to hurt him in any way, he's got to face the truth.
If convicted of murder, Pistorius could face a minimum sentence of 15 years in prison. The panel of 5 judges can reach a decision through a simple majority. Emily Roseman, Associated Press.